check, it's 7:15 ng umaga. And it's 28th of July.
Messieurs, je vous rappelle que notre départ est prévu à 8h22.
Nandito na kami sa Airbnb. Naghihintay lang kami ng... Anong tawag doon?
Host?
Sa host. Hinintay namin yung host. Ang nice ng ng place. Nandito lang lahat.
Ngayon lang po maging chocolate. Huwag ka na magsalita. O, English ka na lang.
26. Tanggal yung nails ko. Nakinabit.
It's very small, but you can use for the legs.
Kaya ba?
Oh, kaya. First, it's okay.
So, we just arrived in our Airbnb. And, i-room tour ko kayo. Kapasok mo. Meron yung toilet. 1 bedroom lang yung meron. Then, merong kitchen, dining table, and yung sala, the living room. Then dito, meron balcony. May 2 aircon na meron dito sa living room, then meron din dito sa bedroom. Kami kahit umuulan. Ang weird nung panahon kasi umaambon pero may araw. So ang suot ko ngayon, swimsuit lang ako, hindi na ako nag-top tsaka white na short.
Hello. Super.
Isa. Ano kung ito ba?
15 euro. Sino ka dyan, girl? May mahuli kaya yan?
Di ba na? Dati may ganyan na tayo. Wala naman huli.
Nasira eh.
Ano kukunin niyo?
Ito.
Ano ako? Milk tea.
pizza?
Ilan? Dalawa lang, oh. Hi guys! Late kami guys. It's currently 7:50. Dapat 7:15 kami aalis. Pero late.
Pre, pwede mong iangat yung short ko, pre? Yan, papunta na kami sa Yel, paano ibaliktad to? Sama yan, sige nga. Wow, ang ganda ng araw. It's like a sun.
Looking for our reservation kung saan yung boat na ni-reserve namin.
On a un bureau qui est juste à droite de Holios. S'il y a juste celui qui a fait la réservation avec son nom, tu peux y aller. Il faut donner une pièce d'identité. Poussez un peu l'avant, comme ça vous partez tout droit.
Sometimes my thoughts think too far ahead. It robs the joy.
Hi guys! It's 3:35. Pupunta kami sa Nice.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Naghihintay kami ng bus. 5 minutes pa yung bus. Hindi ba ito?
Ayan.
Ayun.
Ano bumili dito?
Sa ano?
Ah.
Oh, kiss! So I will order taco pasta and calamarata. So guys, today is July 30. It's currently 3:14 p.m. And our plan today is magagala lang kami sa Cannes. And after is mag-beach kami. Babalik kami dito sa Antibes. And mamayang gabi, Antibes kami. Yun yung amusement park. Then, ayun lang yung plan namin today. Saan tayo pupunta?
Kan.
Gagawin natin.
Bakit kami sa puno?
It comes and goes in the blink of an eye. Soon as I swear you've been left behind. now I'm lost in my head. Sometimes my thoughts think too far ahead. It robs the joy I thought I had. Sometimes my thoughts think too far ahead.
Ano yun, gago? Babakasyon lang ko eh. Hindi ka matayan to.
Okay ka pa.
Ano kasi may natunog para masisira?
Wala yung tornilyo.
Sige, pares tayo mamamatay dito.
Ayaw natin tantanan, no? Gusto ko ito. Siya nakakuha siya.
Wala ganyan!
Finally! Galing talaga mag-blow machine.
But your parents came in and put aside. Lean back and let the clouds see it. Darker spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me. She said she liked me. But I bet it was a sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing, running about at the wrong time. I think maybe if
Uwi na sila, guys.
Wala, nakalimutan, DJI. Wala na, makancel. Makancel yung ano na.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Gandang bagay. Bagay. Hindi, mas maganda yung isa yung kanina. Yung kanina mas maganda.
I love this one.
Very matching my swimsuit.
Very cool.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
You like it? No.
It's for him.
Ah. And you?
I'll take the blue one. Bili kami ng mga sunglasses. Dito sa... You see me? You see me? Ah, okay. Nag-gets ko yung name. Angas. Ito yung matching my swimsuit. Dapat sinelas mo pink din eh.
Mura doon.
Ay, may pink. Ayun o. Ito. Pero ako, ito ako.
Ito?
Oo. Ito na lang sa'yo.
Black?
Papunta na kami ngayon sa beach. 20 minutes walk. Doon sa dulo doon. Yun, doon. Punta kami doon.
Hello?
Oo.
Aray ka.
Ayaw mo? Ha?
Anong view dun?
Para yung ano sana, makita natin maayos yung sunset.
Di ba parehas?
Hindi. Okay lang ba?
Just for a little bit longer. Promise that I will be over you after tonight. Promise that I will be. And in the moment, thought that I saw something more right. Pictured a life that can never be mine.
Steak and buttered pasta. Outfit check. Blue, matching blue.
Matchy blue.
Matchy matchy. Nandito kami ngayon sa taas ng shuttle. This is the view.
Dapat yung try dito?
I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough.
Yeah.
I'm falling in love. You're all I'm thinking of.
Tayo guys. Ako ito. Dark brown. Pero wala naman siya tinitindang red. Hindi na. Kala ko nga kanina yung hindi may rice eh. So, we found a restaurant. Ano name nito? Wala name. Sa front ng beach lang. Swak. Oh, okay, that's fine.
That's good for you?
Yeah,
So
that's
I
good.
approached it for you a bit.
Sorry.
No, that's fine.
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing, and then it takes it all away. Don't take me away from you. Don't take me away from you.
'Cause the time